take risks.
Of course not.
So, would I be wrong if I wished death to your mother?
No.
So would I be wrong if I killed your mother?
No.
Maybe she'd be somebody you'd like to kill.
Owen, what the hell's going on out there?
Nothing, Mama. You woke her up.
Who are you talking to? Who's in there with you?
Nobody, Mama.
Who's this?
This is Cousin Patty. He's going to be staying with us for a while. Isn't that nice?
You don't have a cousin Patty.
You lied to me.
I know you don't want to hear this now. I know you don't want to hear anything derogatory about your son, Mrs. Lift, and I understand that. He goes, he's not a bad man, Mrs. Lift. He's a nice man, actually. He is a lunatic, though, Mrs. Lift. He's a lunatic. And, see, I don't have to be here now, Mrs. Lift. I could be in Mexico. I could be out of all of this. I'm only here to stop him. How do you say this, Mrs. Lift? Listen to me, Mrs. Lift. Your son, he wants me to kill you. Mrs. Lift?